use a fan brush because you can just do beautiful little effects with it.
I am also just going to do a quick zoom in on my skin because honestly, this is probably like, okay, no, this is probably the roughest my skin has ever been in a really long time, and I'm honestly not sure what's going on. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how my skin is looking. So there's just a lot of this red kind of like pimples. My skin is just a little congested, and when these do heal, they're healing with and kind of scarring. So to start, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of Rhassoul clay, 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder, and 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of rose water. So for hibiscus powder, the natural acids in this powder really act like a Botox. It has amazing anti-aging properties, and it also really helps to unclog your pores and really give your skin that ultimate glow that we of course all need. It also really aids in wound healing. So if you're suffering with a lot of acne and your skin is scarring and there's just a lot of broken skin, this will really help in speeding up that healing process and getting you back to your normal, clear, wonderful skin. And as for Rhassoul clay, just like many other clays, it really just has that strong ability to draw out all toxins, if not all, majority of the toxins out of your skin to really leave your skin feeling clean and pure and fresh. So we've already started applying the mask to our face, and as a tip, really avoid your eye area and your eyebrows just so that you really avoid discomfort and prevent any eye injuries. And this is what the mask looks like when it's dry. It really is pulling at the skin and drawing out any toxins and whatnot. This mask also stains a lot, so it's perfect for quarantining. If you plan on going somewhere later on in the day, I do not recommend putting on this mask because you will literally be red for a very long time. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and I will see you guys in my next video.